How to add different profile pictures on Facebook and Instagram. So the steps are so simple to follow. You can follow this step on your Instagram app or on your Facebook app. So for me, I will use Facebook to add these settings. I will open my Facebook and tap on this menu at the top right side. After you open this menu, all you have to now scroll to down and tap on this where it says this settings and privacy. Now scroll to down and tap on this settings under settings and privacy. So now tap on this see more in account center. This one. So now tap on this profiles. After you open these profiles, allow it to finish loading. So now as you can see, tap on this Facebook. So as you can see now here is my Facebook. So tap on this Facebook as well again. So as you can see now here is the option. So make sure you turn off this option like this. As you can see here, it says sync profile info. Make sure you turn it off like this. So now tap on this back arrow and go back and tap on this Instagram again. After you open the Instagram, tap on the Instagram again. So as you can see now here is the settings for the Instagram. Here it says sync profile info. Make sure you turn it off like this. As you can see now, I turn it off. So now as you can see now, after you turn off these settings, now you can go ahead and change your profile picture on Facebook without affecting the Instagram, or you can change the Instagram profile picture without affecting the Facebook profile picture. That's it guys. Hope this video helps you out. Don't forget to like and subscribe. If you have any question, please let me know in the comment section below. Thank you for watching guys.